Happy New Year for you all, and here they are, Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro. Whether you are excited or disappointed with the new model, here are a few new things that you still might will be interested. Well, first of all, one of my big expectations was this, and I have it. 67 watt charging brick for Xiaomi 12 and 120 watts for Xiaomi 12 Pro, both with very decent charging cables. For the first look, it seems there isn't anything very eye-catching and extraordinary about the design, but there are still few things that are very interesting. With Xiaomi 12, the camera module is more on the vertical side, making it look more slim and tall. And that definitely looks better comparing with Xiaomi 11. And they have carefully added up these lines to make it look more comfortable and organized. 12 comes with the glass build and 12 Pro comes with metal build, which makes 12 Pro looks better and more premium. The new models have much better build quality. The side has less dramatic curve this time, which prevents the sides being too edgy and not comfortable to hold for a long time. Also, the side has a little bit matte finish, and that doesn't attract fingerprint to a much better extent. And the front camera is located at the right middle of the screen, but it's very tiny. I usually use my phone with dark mode, so I didn't notice it too much abruptly being at the right middle, but you might want to watch out for that. And about its performance, we have already done the review of a Gen 1 chipset, so you can check that video over here. The screen is a 6.28-inch 2K LTPO display with 120Hz refresh rate. It looks very good on the paper, but how is it exactly gonna perform and how is it gonna affect the battery life? We're gonna talk in more depth in the full review. The fingerprint location is well located. It's not too high or too low. I feel very comfortable using it. And about the camera set, the main camera comes with Sony IMX707 50 megapixel sensor. Both ultra-wide and telephoto comes with 50 megapixel sensors. IMX707 is also a new sensor released initially with Xiaomi 12. We will see if it's going to bring any exciting new surprises. And also the last thing is the MIUI 13. For the first few days of using of the MIUI 13, it definitely feels faster and more stable to use. The bugs are significantly lesser and the overall using experience is definitely improving. There are a few new features in MIUI 13, but what we're currently using is Chinese version, so it's probably going to be a little bit different from the global version. So once I get hold of the global version, I will tweet about it, then you can check it out. So this is it. These are the first few things I could think of on the top of my head before spending days seriously examining the phone. Which one do you want us to talk about in more depth in full review? Let me know what you think. We will deliver the full review with our fastest speed, so subscribe not to miss that one. And I'll see you in that one.